How do I get my Taurus man to propose? 5 practical tips. Number 1. Be seductive while being loyal and trustworthy. Keep in mind that a Taurus guy will only propose if you are kind. He dislikes loud women. Show him that you need his macho energy. For their loyalty and inherent capacity to be a successful earner, Taurus men need to be valued and praised. Number 2. Thankfulness, admiration. Don't take it for granted that he keeps his calm, handles difficulties, and keeps you secure and protected. Tell him you admire his calmness and steadfastness in challenging times. Number 3. Accept him and his family. Try to get along with his siblings and parents. Tell him you love being invited to his parents' house for dinner. Number 4. Make his home. Taurus males like a well-decorated house. Make sure he understands he will never return home to a cluttered and filthy house. The Venusian Taurian is generally an art lover and collector. Learn anything about the artists that he likes and admires. Show you care about his interests. Number 5. Be flexible. If you want him to call you his wife, don't oppose or dispute with him. It's easy to be flexible, and he'll love that. Anyway, you'll never convince him to change his viewpoint until, unintentionally, you make a subtle hint, and then all of a sudden, he believes the shift is the result of his own thought, not yours. Taurus men are masculine and like their partners to be feminine and submissive to their demands. What are your thoughts on making a Taurus man propose? Please comment below. Click the link below to discover 3 unusual behaviors in your Taurus man in 2022.